Hi, it's Mary Kissel from the Daviess County Audubon Society, and it's time for another episode of Bird is the Word. Today we're going to talk about one of Kentucky's most beautiful birds, the Baltimore Oriole. At 8 3/4 long, the male adult Baltimore Oriole is a brilliant orange with a black head. The female is kind of yellow-green, a little bit of orange in it. Both these birds have distinctive wing bars. The juvenile is kind of a mishmash of all these colors. I'll never forget the first time I saw a juvenile Baltimore Oriole. It was on the chain link fence there at the Owensboro Country Club, and I wrote on my Facebook post that it looked like he had dressed himself. Orioles have elaborate courtships. The male will hop around a female, bowing forward and spreading its wings to reveal its orange back. A female will respond by fanning her tail, lowering and fluttering her wings, and making a chattering call. Songs are very important in the courtship. This is another bird that you will hear the top of the tree before you actually see it. The day I shot this particular picture, I also was trying to get a video of the bird, and most of it was just a bunch of leaves blowing around and little bits of orange showing up, but he was singing all the while. And that's how important songs are in courtship. So here we go. Very melodious. Make sure it's right side up. Here we go. The Orioles are probably best known for their hanging nest, which the female weaves together using grass, wool, grapevine, or artificial materials like cellophane. We have an Oriole nest on display at the Joe Ford Nature Center. Although males can bring her nesting materials, the female does the weaving itself. It has 3 stages: an outer bowl, an inner bowl, and a soft downy lining to cushion the young. It can take up to 15 days to create the nest, depending on the weather. Although Orioles eat insects, they love fruit like raspberries and crab apples and have been known to destroy a crop at an orchard. They will come to nectar feeders, feeders which feature orange slices, or ones that hold tiny bits of jelly. We put out orange slices at the Joe Ford Nature Center because I've seen Orioles there in the past, but I haven't seen one hit on an orange, unfortunately. For your at-home challenge, I'd like for you to write a short story or improvise a skit about what it'd be like to be in a hanging nest. Would it be fun? Would you be afraid? Ask family members how they would feel, and create your own tale of being in a nest. You could be the mom, you could be the dad, you could be the kid. Just use your imagination. All right, that's it for this week. Thanks.